Hi, this is Vijay Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on autoplay next video on YouTube. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. YouTube's default is to autoplay video continuously and it offers you to count down between each video so you can click away if you don't want to watch the next one. If you turn off autoplay, perhaps as a way to get a break from the ads that often play between videos but want to turn it back on, you can easily do it so in just a few steps. How to do it is so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our YouTube. Now you can just go to your profile on use section by tap on the bottom right here. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner on the gear icon settings on here. From here, we can just tap on scroll down. On video and audio preferences, there is an option playback. You can just tap on that. Here you can see there is an option autoplay next video. When you turn this feature on, when autoplay is enabled, a suggested video will automatically play next after you finish, after the videos that you've watched is finished. YouTube will play the next suggested video. So simple, right? So that is how to turn on autoplay next video on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.